Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the key pointers that you must have on your fingertips to answer almost any questions with respect to polynomials in your P3 mathematics. Just like modulus, this is a very short topic, so you don't have a lot of key pointers. But yeah, let us discuss both of them one by one. One type of common questions that you expect in your polynomials is to find the quotient and the remainder. Now, whenever you are given this kind of a question, there are two ways in which you can solve it, either with the help of inspection method or the long division method. Let's say if you are very good with the long division method and not really good with the inspection, I highly recommend that you stick with that approach. Or vice versa, if you are very good with the inspection method, you can go with that and skip the long division. Regardless of the method, you will always get the answer. But if you are someone who is having a proper idea about the long division in the inspection method, in that case, you are having an advantage. What is the advantage? You know that for a given question, let's say for example, this kind of a question, we are supposed to find the quotient and the remainder. Just by looking at the question, you can understand that how quickly you can get the answer. Is it from the inspection or the long division method? But yes, that is not going to play a major difference, because let's say if you are able to solve question with the help of long division and you have practiced it enough, even in that case, let's say if this question is easily solvable with the help of inspection method, almost in the comparable time you will be also able to complete it with the help of long division. But yeah, the main thing is either of this one technique should be on your fingertips. That is must. And if you want to be very confident in your examinations, it's advisable that you master both of them if you are having time in your hands. The second type of question that you get in your polynomials is to find the values of the unknown coefficients in your polynomial with the help of the factor and the remainder theorems. This is also one of the popular type of questions other than this one. How do you do this? The factor theorem basically says that if you put, let's say for example, -2 in the value of x, the output will be equal to 0. And the remainder theorem says that if you put -1 in the value of x, the output will be equal to your remainder, which is 2 in this case. If you are aware about these two things, then of course you can solve any questions with respect to what is given in the type 2 of the common questions. By the way, I'll be solving this question in the next video. So just make sure you're watching them if you want to practice this. But yes, with these things being said, if you are comfortable with these two key pointers, almost any questions with respect to polynomials, you will be able to solve it.